Hello students, we continue with our studies with question number 48. Sajal and Kajal, you have to read that question. Ratio of profit sharing is 2:1. The capitals of the partners are 5 lakhs and 4 lakhs. So these are the opening balances of the capital account which you will bring down on the credit side. 5 lakhs and 4 lakhs. Interest on loan advanced by Kajal for the whole year, loan amount being rupees 3 lakhs. This is the loan amount of 3 lakhs. The profit for the year which is given at the last, that is 7 lakh 2,600. This we will first record in the inner column. 7 lakh 2,600. Why? Because interest on loan is to be provided to Kajal. And interest on loan is a charge against the profit. It means before any appropriation is to be made, this has to be subtracted. First you have to subtract interest on loan. It will be debited to P&L account and credited to the partner's loan account. Interest on loan is never credited to the capital account of the partner. It is credited to his loan account. Okay, which we are preparing separately. So first of all you will subtract interest on loan, which is 6% of 3 lakhs. Loan amount is 3 lakhs. So 6% of 3 lakhs is 18,000. So this figure 6,48,600. Okay. Opening balances we have brought down. Interest on capital is to be allowed at 5% per annum. So you have to allow them interest on capital, which is to be provided to both 25,000, 20,000, and it is to be debited to P&L appropriation account. Interest on capital, Sajal's capital account and Kajal's capital account. Okay, 25 and 20. Now the third point, C part, interest on partners drawings it at 6% per annum. Drawings were 1,80,000. First you have to record drawings, withdrawals. This is the drawings against profit, okay, which will not reduce the opening capital of the partners, but of course it is a fluctuating capital account, so it will change. Okay, drawings are 1,80,000. On this, interest is to be charged at 6% per annum. Now in this question, the date of drawings is not specified, not given. It is only said that partners' drawings are 1,80,000. So, interest will be provided for an average period of 6 months. Okay. See the concept which I have given you, the 10 concepts of interest on drawings. In that case, you have to provide only for 6 months. So, interest on drawings 3,000, 2,400. 6% of this figure for 6 months. 6% of 80,000 for 6 months. Same will be credited over here by interest on drawings, Sajal's capital account and Kajal's capital account, 3,000 and 2,400, which is 5,400. Okay, that's it. Now 10% of the divisible profit is to be transferred to general reserve. Divisible profit means after appropriating and giving all this, the amount which comes over here to profit, of this figure the amount is to be transferred to general reserve, which will be shown in the balance sheet of the partnership firm. But before this you have to transfer to reserve. So you have to calculate the divisible profit. This is 6,90,000, 6,90,000. This should be the balancing figure, we know that. Now in from 6,90,000 you have to subtract 45,000. So it comes 6,45,000. 10% of this figure, this is your divisible profit. Of this, 10% will be transferred to general reserve. 10% of 6,45,000, which is 64,500. Okay. Now from 6,45,000, if you subtract 64,500, the remaining will be your, this is your 5,80,500. 5,80,500 is your divisible profit, which you will divide in Sajal's capital and Kajal's capital in the ratio, which is ratio 2:1. So 5,80,500, we are dividing it by 3. So 3 ones are 3, 4 5, 3 nines are 27, 3 threes are 9, 3 fives are 15. Okay, 1,93,500, and double of it for them. So 0 0, 2 fives are 10, 0 carry 1, 6 and 1 7, 2 nines are 18 and 1. 3,87,000. So this we are crediting by profits 387 and 193,500. Okay. This is the way you are dividing the profits among the partners. Is this clear? So your P&L appropriation is ready. Now you will balance these two accounts. 9,12,000, 6,13,500. 9,12,000, 6,13,500. Subtract this, 1,03,000. So 8,09,000 and 82,400. So 0 0 1 1 3 and 5. Okay, this is your balance carried down. This is how we complete the question by balancing the capital accounts also. Continuing with question number 49. Ali and Bahadur are partners in the firm sharing profits as 70% and 30%. It means the profit sharing between both is 7:3. 70%, 30%. Okay. Their respective capitals on 1st April were 25,000 and 20,000. Capital balances are provided to you. Partners are allowed interest on capital at 5% per annum. Drawings of the partners for the year ending were 3,500 and 2,500 respectively. Drawings are provided. Profit for the year before allowing interest on capital and annual salary to Bahadur of 3,000 was 40,000. 10% of the divisible profit is to be transferred to trade reserve, the same way which we have done in question number 48. Prepare partners' current account and capital's account recording the above transactions. You are not asked to prepare P&L appropriation, but how will you divide the profit? How will you transfer the 10% of divisible profit? So we have to prepare the P&L appropriation also. But you are asked to prepare current account also and the capital accounts also. It means the partners are maintaining capital accounts on fixed capital method. So all adjustments of interest on capital, interest on drawings, everything, salary, that will be done in their current account, not in their capital account. The capital accounts will remain the fixed. That I will prepare. After preparing these two accounts, we will prepare the capital account, which is simple. Okay, first we continue with the profit and loss appropriation account. So here we are writing by P&L appropriation, which is 40,000. Okay, now opening balances are of capital account. Current account do not have any opening balance, so no need to write any balance into it. 5% is interest on capitals of 25,000 and 20,000 respectively. So to interest on capital, okay, Ali's capital account 25,000 का 5% for 25,000 का 5% which is 1250, and Bahadur's capital account 20,000 का 5% 1,000, so 2250. This is the interest on capital. So by interest on capital 1250, 1,000. That's it. It's not having any other opening balance. Thereafter, drawings of the partners are 3,500 and 2,500, which also you will record in their current account. Drawings 3,500 and 2,500. Salary payable to Bahadur. What is the salary of Bahadur? Bahadur's salary is 3,000 per annum. To salary, Bahadur's capital account 3,000 and by salary 3,000. Bahadur is to get salary also, right? So this is the items. Interest on drawings is not provided. Interest on drawings के बारे में कुछ भी नहीं लिखा है. No need to provide anything for interest on drawings. Okay. Now we find out the divisible profit. So 40,000. I do the workings over here. 40,000 minus 5250. 5250. So this is your divisible profit, of which 10% is to be transferred to general reserve. So to general reserve 3, 4, 7 and 5. Clear? Are you able to understand? 3, 4, 7, 5, 10%. Now from 34,750 you will subtract 3,475 because out of this you have transferred to general reserve. The remaining profit will be divided among the partners. That is 31,275. This you will divide in 7:3. Means this is to be divided by 10. Correct. So if you are dividing it by 10, 5 2s are 10, 5 6s are 30, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25. Again divide by 2. So 2 3s are, 2 1s are, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14 and 2 5s are 10. That is 3127.5. This you will multiply it by 7 and then 3 to calculate the balancing figure. So this 40,000, this 40,000, two profits, Ali and Bahadur. Okay, what is the balancing? 31,275. 31,275. This you will be dividing it as the balances of the partners account. Let us calculate this figure now. How will you calculate this? For example, if it is 5, I may make it as 8. You can make this. So 3128 into 7. 7 8s are 56. 7 2s are 14 and 5 19. 7 and 7 and 1 8. 7 3s are 21. So 21896. So his share is 21896. And the remaining divide by 3. 3 8s are 24. 3 2s are 6 and 1 7. 7 8. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 6384. Just a minute. Okay. 3128. Divide into 3. 3 8s are 24. 3 2s are 6. 7 8. 3 1s are 3 and 3 3s are 9. This is 9384. Something is wrong in the calculation. This is 7. 7 8s are 56. 7 2s are 14. 56 are 20, 19. 9 carry 1. 7 7 1 8. 7 3s are 21. This is correct. Okay. But how come the amount is not coming this one? This is 3475, 31275 and 3475. This is okay, this is correct. 31275 divided by 10. So if you divide this, 312.5. Correct. This is correct. So this is divided by 7. Okay, you do one thing. After calculating these figures, after multiplying this and all, you will calculate and you will credit the profits over here. Whatever the distribution of profit is there, because here something is wrong over here in this calculation. Calculate the profit, balance the account, subtract and calculate balance carried down. Okay, complete this question. After that, capital accounts I am showing now. Children, for the capital accounts, simply by balance brought down 25,000 and 20,000. That's it. We are not recording any other item in the capital accounts. So only you will close this 25, 25. To balance carried down 25, 20. Okay, you will balance this account. This is how capital balance of the partners will not change when they are maintaining the capital account as per fixed capital method. Okay. Children, question number 50. A and B are partners sharing profits and losses in 3:2. Capital balances are 50,000 and 30,000, which you will bring down in their capital accounts by balance brought down 50,000 and 30,000. Okay. Then interest on capital is agreed at 6% per annum. B is allowed an annual salary of 2,500. Two things are provided. Provision of 5% of net profit is to be made in respect of manager's commission, and rent of rupees 24,000 is to be accounted to be payable to A. Profit for the year before manager's commission and rent was 39,000. Rent has to be paid first. Both the things again. In such case, students, either you can prepare the P&L account. Okay. For example, small P&L account you can prepare. Here you may write 39,000. Then you may write rent over here and manager's commission over here. Okay. And then the remaining profit, this net profit, we will transfer to P&L appropriation account. This is the actual procedure. But suppose if you don't want to prepare P&L account, you can, but first you have to subtract the charges out of the profits. That is, first you have to subtract the rent and manager's commission out of the profits available to you, and then you have to appropriate the interest on capital, salary, etc., etc., which I had already explained you in your earlier videos also. Okay, so instead of preparing the P&L account, we are directly writing the profits over here in the inner column, but by P&L account 39,000. You will write this figure in the inner column. Thereafter, you will first subtract rent payable to A 24,000 this figure comes to 15,000. On 15,000 you have to pay 5% manager's commission. So 5% of 15,000. How much? 750. This is your 14,250 is your net profit to be taken as an appropriations. This is the profit as an appropriation to be made to the partners for interest on capital and all. Okay. So after this, have you understood it? Why did we subtract rent and manager's commission from the profits first? Because they are the charge against the profit. Okay. So we are subtracting that. 14,250 is the net profit which is transferred to P&L appropriation account. Now interest on capital. A's capital account and B's capital account, which is 6% of this figure. Interest on capital is 6%. So 5 6 are 30, 3,000 and 6 3s are 1800. Okay, for 50,000 and 30,000. Thereafter we will credit to their accounts also by interest on capital 3,000, 1800. Thereafter salary. Salary is payable to whom? Of 2,500. B is allowed an annual salary of 2,500. So B's capital account 2,500 by salary of B 2,500. Okay. Thereafter profit for the manager's commission and everything has been accounted for. That's it. Now from 14,250, the total of P&L appropriation will be 14,250. Out of this, from 14,250 you have to subtract these three figures. So 0, 0, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the divisible profit comes to, okay, that is 6,950. Two profits. This is divided among A's capital and B's capital. The ratio of profit sharing is 3:2. Okay. So 6,950 divided by 5. 3:2 is the profit sharing ratio. So 5 we will divide it. 5 ones are 5. 5 threes are 15. 5 nines are 45. 0. So 1390 into 3. 9 threes are 27. 3 threes are 9, 10, 11. 3 ones are 3 and 1, 4. So 4170 is A's part and 2 से divide करेंगे. 2 zeros are 0, 2 nines are 18, 2 3s are 6 and 1 7, 2 1s are 2. So 2780. This is their divisible profits. Okay. So crediting them to their capital accounts by profits, that is 4170 and 2780. This is the profits to be credited, and thereafter you will balance this account. There is nothing on the debit side, so the total will be the balance carried down. Now this figures you have to find out and close their capital accounts. So we have completed the half century of chapter 1 till question number 50. Okay, please revise them again, do it again and try to solve the illustrations also. Okay, thank you.